Welcome to your next Miami Beach rental. Unit 105 at 1308 Drexel Avenue. This furnished studio is a rare find in the heart of the Art Deco District, offering a perfect blend of comfort, style, and location. Whether you're searching for a South Beach condo or a seasonal escape, this move-in ready unit is designed to impress. Step inside this completely renovated corner unit and discover an open concept living area filled with natural light. And a custom-made closet that maximizes space and elegance. The unit comes fully furnished, making it ideal for renters who want convenience without compromise. And yes, electricity and basic cable are included, so you can settle in stress-free. Outside your door, the best of Miami Beach awaits. Live just minutes from Lincoln Road, Flamingo Park, Espanola Way, and the iconic South Beach shoreline. This walkable neighborhood puts you steps from Feinberg Fisher School, the Post Office, and the local police station, offering both vibrancy and peace of mind. The HABANA Condominium is a colorful oasis with secure tag entry, a welcoming community area, and plenty of bike space. Friendly neighbors and a well-maintained property make this more than just a rental. It's a lifestyle. Whether you're filming a real estate tour or searching for your next rental property showcase, Unit 105 is easy to show and ready to welcome you. Don't miss your chance to live in one of Miami Beach's most desirable locations. Schedule your visit today and experience the charm of Drexel Avenue living.